Hard to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
What's up, my good cousin? Welcome back to my channel. I am Jess here on Jess for TV, and today, you guys, it is wash day. I am in dire need of a good cleanse and for the moisture to be replenished in my hair. So right now I am just taking down a protective style that I've had in, and to achieve my much needed cleanse and moisture, the products that I will be using and trying for the first time for this wash day are the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrating and Repair Kit. This kit actually comes complete with a Hydrate and Repair shampoo, a Hydrate and Repair conditioner, as well as a Hydrate and Repair protein power treatment. I actually received this Shea Moisture gift pack of products as a gift for Christmas, and I thought right now would be the perfect time to use them and try them out, especially since I am just now taking down a 3.5-week-old crochet protective braid style. My hair just feels, number one, like it needs a wash. It's just not in a good state. It doesn't smell the best. My strands just feel and look a bit rough. There's caked up product. There's just no moisture or hydration in this head of mine. So I'm hoping that this Shea Moisture will just help my hair to bounce back, cleanse it, replenish that moisture into my strands, and just also strengthen them from being in that protective style for so long. Just get things back popping, lustrous, and just boisterous. Like, come back, hair. Alright, so without further ado, let's just jump right into this wash day, shall we? Okay, so here I am just saturating my hair, basically prepping it for the shampoo. So in putting this shampoo on, it lathered really nice. It had a great slip. My hair felt super soft and my curls were really defined after I rinsed this out, and I was very surprised because normally it takes more than that for my curls to be defined. So now I'm going to go in with the conditioner. I did not skimp in using this conditioner. I actually love this conditioner. It was super thick. It provided so much slip. I was able to detangle. My hair felt super moisturized. So I was really happy with this conditioner. And even after rinsing it out, my hair still felt super soft and moisturized. As you can see here, my hair just looks like it's coming back. It looks like it has some moisture about it. It looks like it has some life to it, finally. So now I'm going to go in with the protein power pack, and you guys, this was so thick. Like, I was so shook. Like, I could not believe how thick this was. Applying it was definitely easy once you kind of warmed the product up. Once it hit my hair, it was totally fine. The only con that I have about this protein pack is that the pack was just not big enough for me. My head is like super big. I have a lot of hair. It's like super thick. So I had to work really hard to, distribute the product evenly to make sure that each strand was coated. However, I am not mad at this mask because it definitely did a great job. It was literally Dr. Miracles in bringing back my hair. Like, it's back, y'all. So here I'm just going to pin both sides up and just let this mask sit in while I do my other shower duties. And I probably let it sit in for about 10 minutes before just dampening it a little bit more and running a wide tooth comb through it just to detangle a bit more, but to also make sure each of my strands at least were coated with this product before rinsing it out, because I really just wanted to get the full effect of it. So I definitely think it was a great idea to wet my hair a bit more and run that wide tooth comb through it just to make sure that the product was evenly distributed. I really love the way my hair looked and felt in this mask. Hey, little pose for y'all. What's poppin'? So rinsing this product out, my hair felt super soft. It was really hydrated, you guys. Like, it had a lot of moisture, and it is so crazy because after each rinse of each product, it was like my hair got even more defined. So this combination of products and my hair, okay, I'm gonna have to get this kit again for sure. So I have got out of the shower, let my hair kind of air dry a bit. It smells so much better. It feels so much better. It's super soft. So I'm just going to section my hair off into 4 equal parts. Well, 3 here, but eventually 4. And I'm gonna go in with my leave-in. It's the African Pride Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner. And this is just something that I picked up because I kind of ran out of leave-in. I'm just gonna work that product through with a detangling brush and also my fingers. Next, I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard. So I'm just going to work that product in with my hands as well as a detangling brush. And I really just like the way this product feels on my hair. It's really moisturizing and it's great for twist outs and braid outs, of course. So I'm also going to go in with my oil. You guys have seen me use this oil a time or two, but my hair is finally coming back, y'all. It is looking pretty good to me. It's definitely looking hydrated and moisturized. There's a sheen to it finally. It's finally got its luster back. So now that I am done with this section, I'm just going to twist it up, get it out of the way, and move on to the next section. And I'm basically going to do the same steps on this next back section that I did to the other back section. Alright, so now just moving on to the front of my head, just repeating those same steps that I did with the back two sections, twisting that section up, getting it out of the way. And now that I am complete with adding all the products to my hair, here's a little dance for y'all. Ayy. So now I'm going to untwist one side, and I'm basically going to go to with a wide tooth comb, make sure it's completely detangled. Throw some gel around the roots, around the part, just to make sure they lay flat. And I'm just going to be throwing this into two cornrows, you guys. And my cornrows are not the best. I mean, as you can see, look at how I'm doing it. I don't know why I can't cornrow my own hair. Like, my arms be getting tired. I think my arm's too heavy. I don't know what goes on. I didn't plan on doing anything spectacular after this wash day anyway. So I just plan to basically just rock these two braids, you know, for the week, refresh it every 2 days or so, just to make sure the hair isn't getting dry or brittle and that it's just remaining moisturized. Once I'm done with that section, I'm gonna lay these edges a little bit more just to make myself look presentable while I'm sitting in the house for the week. I mean, dang, can't I be cute a little bit? So now I'm going to just move on to the next side, throw another one of my bootleg cornrows in, and call it a day. And you guys, this is definitely my wash day routine. It is simple and sweet. I just try to really use products that really, you know, add the moisture back into my hair, especially since I wear a lot of protective styles. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also, please like this video if you enjoyed my routine. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content from me. Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.